Let us explore a circle inscribed inside a square. Now inscribed means completely inside, like shown in this figure, right? Now the question here is, what is the area of the inscribed circle? So we have a circle which is inside a square. Dimensions of the square is 12 meters by 12 meters. Now we need to find area of this inscribed circle. That's part A. Part B is, what is the area of the shaded region? So that area, right? The shaded region. And part C is, what is the circumference of the inscribed circle? Now let's start with part A, which is, what is the area of the inscribed circle? Now to find area, we need to find radius, since area is equals to pi times r square, correct? Now what is the radius? Let's say this is the center, so we are looking for the distance, which is half of the length of the square, right? So half of 12 is how much? 12 divided by 2 is indeed 6. So the radius is 6. So we can write r as 6, and so we'll write pi times 6 square, and that is the area. The exact answer will be 36 pi, but let's calculate and round it to one decimal place. So we have pi times 36, which is equals to 113.09. So it is 113.1 approximately, right? So that is the area of the circle. Now the question is, what is the area of the shaded region? So how will you find area of shaded region? Well, we should find the area of the square and take away the area of the circle. So that is the difference in the two areas, right? So let's find area of the square. So area of the square minus area of the circle gives us this answer, right? So what is the area of the square? Area of the square is 12 times 12, correct? So area of the square is 12 times 12. And circle we already found, which is 113.1, right? So let's use calculator and figure it out. So it's 12 times 12 minus 113.1. That gives us 30.9. So we get this answer as equal to 30.9. The units are meters square, right? So don't forget units. Let me write down here also, meters square, correct? Now the question is, what is the circumference of the inscribed circle? Now circumference is 2 pi r, correct? So we say circumference C equals to 2 pi r. Now the radius is 6, so we get 2 times pi times 6. That is equals to 12 pi, right? Which is equal to 37.69. That is 37.7 approximately. And the units are meters. So that is our answer for this question, right? So that is how we can solve the question. The idea is, first find the radius, and once you know the radius, then you can calculate area and circumference. Area of shaded portion is difference of areas, right? So this is a good question which kinds of review all the concepts. Thank you.